Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out the Lasting Smiles Peach Blossom Organic Lip Balm. And this is one of the products that I got with my ipsy points. So I pretty much got this product for free by redeeming the points that you earn on the ipsy app by reviewing your products, or maybe someone signs up through your referral link. And I'm excited to try this out because I'm not familiar with the brand Lasting Smiles, but it definitely sounds like a brand to be familiar with because it's organic, a Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free, dermatologist approved, sustainable and fair trade, free of chemicals, 100% upcycled PCR materials, made in USA. The product gives back, so it's a charitable company and a female-founded and owned company. And so you can buy a 4-pack of these online for $20, which is definitely a fair price point, especially considering all of that. And it's very high rated, which I'm excited to see because I have very dry, chapped lips and I love lip balms and I love trying out lip balms, especially ones that smell nice. So let's see what this Peach Blossom smells like. Ooh. It's definitely not super potent, which is not a bad thing. But it kind of gives me like a nostalgic smell feel. But just like a very light hint of peach, which I don't have too many peach scented things, but I love the peach scent, so I feel like I need more. And it's just a clear color, so let's see how it is on my chapped lips, which we've got some dry patches, so hopefully those can go away. Ooh, I love the texture of this. I love the feel of it. It's a very like glide on type of lip balm, which I really like. And it leaves behind a little bit of shine to add to that moisturized effect. Ooh. And it did get rid of the dry patches, which is what I would really hope with my lip balm. But this really is exactly what I want in a good lip balm. It's comfortable, it's deeply hydrating, doesn't just coat over the dry patches, it actually does moisturize and get rid of them. The nice scent, the slippy feel, hydrated look to the lips. This is a quick and easy one because it's exactly what I would want in my lip balm. And so if you want a good lip balm, this is a great one to get because of all of those qualities that you can feel good about when it comes to purchasing from the brand Lasting Smiles, which I definitely want to try out more products from this brand now. So if you've ever tried any products from Lasting Smiles, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. But I feel like especially with fall being around the corner and the cold weather going to be here before we know it, this is going to be so good to keep in my bag for when my lips get very chapped, which I think they're chapped now. Just wait until the weather gets colder. My lips are a struggle, but this will be really great for that. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.